Welcome to Math with Miss Stacy. In this video, we're going to talk about how to find circumference. Circumference is a word we use for circles, and it's the distance around the circle. So it's the perimeter of the circle, but we call it the circumference. So the formula for circumference equals 2 times pi times the radius, which also equals pi times the diameter of the circle. So pi is an irrational number and it equals 3.14159, and it goes on and on forever, and it never repeats and it never terminates. So pi is an irrational number. We cannot express it as a ratio or a fraction. Often in math problems, we use the approximation of 3.14 for pi. If the problem is asking you for something other than using 3.14 for pi, or maybe your pi button on your calculator, then the problem will tell you what to use for pi. Because obviously we can't go on and on forever and use all the digits of pi. It never ends. So here we have an example of a circle with a radius of 5 or a diameter of 10. A radius of 5 and a diameter of 10. So the circumference would be 2 times 3.14, our approximation for pi, times the radius, which is 5. We can multiply these in any order, so I'm going to multiply the 2 times the 5 first. 10 times 3.14 equals approximately 31.4. I don't have units in this problem. If you did have units, you would just use the units. It's not square, it's just one dimension for the circumference. So truly, we could call this approximately here. It's our approximation of the circumference. So we could give it wavy equal sign to show it's approximately equal to 31.4. My second formula, the pi times diameter, so circumference equals pi. Again, we're going to use 3.14 as the approximation times the diameter, which is 10, also gives us the 31.4 as a close, very close approximation to the circumference. Close enough for our purposes today. Okay, so to find the circumference of a circle, it's 2 times pi times the radius of the circle, or it's pi times the diameter of the circle. Okay, it's time for our affirmations. Say them with me. I can learn math. I can learn anything. I can learn math. I can learn anything. Have a great day.